Today's word is binge. What does it mean? Where do you use it? Is binge watching bad? Let's find out about these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of vocabulary videos, we're going to look at individual words or phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, the primary use, using the word or phrase in a sentence, a few relevant questions, if any, and some synonyms, again, if any. Let's start. How do you pronounce this word? It's binge. 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 It means indulging excessively in eating, drinking, taking drugs, watching programs, or other sensual activities. If you're on a binge, it's not constructive. It has a negative connotation. It's generally considered to be a slang. Let's see how to use it in sentences. We binged on burgers and fries when we played truant from school. Youngsters these days binge on junk food. That's why they are overweight. He went on a binge and was in no shape to run the marathon. Binging is always followed by guilt and depression. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary. Remember, you've got to own it to use it. Merely watching this video once and passing over to another will not help you. Now let's look at some relevant questions. What do you mean by binge watching? It means watching a lot of movies or episodes of a serial in one sitting. Why is it called binge watching? Binge is used to mean to soak. So binge watching means to watch till you're fully soaked in it. Similarly, binge eating is to eat till you can't eat anymore, till you want to vomit. Is binge watching bad? Well, studies have revealed that binge watching leads to poor sleep, insomnia, lack of focus, increased fatigue, and decreased brain capacity. And because you eat all kinds of junk at all odd hours, your digestive system becomes overburdened, and the unhealthy meals and snacks and sedentary lifestyle results in deteriorating overall health. Let's look at some synonyms here. Orgy, bout, fling, competition. Note the word competition. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.